So the difference between shopping on hellobean.com and using a catalog. I mean, if you think about it, you tend to look at every page in a catalog. You might open it up to the deal that's cited on the front cover or the new item, but chances are if you're interested in the product type, you're going to page through it. With a website, there isn't really a page through function so much, right? You kind of have to choose a topic from the navigation. So that's one difference. You just may not be exposed to something on the website that you might really want to buy. So it's a very different experience, isn't it? And of course, it's different. That difference carries over to magazines, whether it's printed or on a website. And so now we will talk about magazines, but I'm actually going to stop us here because I'm going to do a quiz on direct mail and put that up for you and then get back and we'll finish up with magazines.